How to attract women without saying a word. 1. Make last changes out in the open. You took a gander at her, she took a gander at you. She made the principal move and is coming directly at you. What do? It's a great opportunity to enjoy your vanity only a little and make a few last acclimations to your appearance. This can mean running your hand through your hair, changing your neckline, or fixing your tie. Easily overlooked details like this show the woman being referred to, that in addition to the fact that you care about your looks, that you care about putting your best self forward for her. It's a solid pointer of common fascination, and will undoubtedly get the discussion off to a solid beginning. Simply don't try too hard. On the off chance that you spend ages checking yourself, she's going to check another weirdo off her rundown. 2. Lick and contact your lips. With regards to how to pull in ladies unobtrusively, this tip is above all else. While you're speaking with her and you sense that you're vibing great, quickly contact your lips. This can be a delicate tap or a short float of your fingers. This causes to notice your mouth, and if she is intrigued, summons pictures of kissing you, alluring her further. 3. Occupy room. When you consider controlling the set of all animals, what do you see? A lion's mane, a bear remaining on its rear legs, a gorilla puffing and beating his chest. What do these all share for all intents and purpose? Space. Creatures will consistently attempt to cause themselves to show up a lot bigger than typical so as to enslave different guys and intrigue mates. Somewhat, this concerns us also,